ce saruya. There's so much to come yoga tolmoza maruya. Yoga hoje educa ce visuruya.